Good morning, students. Now we'll start with chapter 14, dramatic nature of GK. So now dramatic nature means in this chapter you are going to learn about the different natural disasters which occur. For example, earthquake, cyclone, flood, drought, which is occurred naturally. In this chapter, one exercise is given, that is the across and a down. You have to fill it. So let me start with across. First one. These word comes from the Roman god of fire. Hawaii, Iceland and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are the example of this occurrence. So these are the names given for volcano. Number 3. Japan is a country in which this disaster is very common. So many buildings in Japan are built in such a manner that they would not collapse when it occurs. So it is earthquake. Earthquake even happens in India many times, right? Fourth one. This natural disaster occurs in the ocean. It is characterized by strong winds in the center of which is a clear calm region called the eye. So fourth one, cyclone. Sixth one, this is a rapid spinning tube of air, sometimes called a twister. It is composed of the faster winds on earth, taking many shapes and sizes. This disaster is occurring due to the wind. So answer is tornado. Eighth one, this is a kind of strong storm which most often forms in the northwest Pacific Ocean. Its name has been derived from a Chinese word which means great wind. Answer typhoon. Now we'll start with the down. Number 2. This common occurrence appears as a bright flash in the sky. It is usually followed by a clap or rumble of thunder. So number 2, lightning. Fifth one, this calamity is a result of very little water in the atmosphere causing little or no rain. If it is last for a long time, it can cause famine or severe food shortage. Fifth one, drought. Sixth one, the name of this huge wave wall comes from the Japanese word meaning harbor wave. In December 2004, this disastrous wave uncovered the lost city of Mahabalipuram in the Indian Ocean. Sixth one, tsunami. Seventh one, last, an overflow of water from rivers, lakes or excess rain can result in this condition. To stay safe during this calamity, one should go to the highest ground or floor possible. Last one, that is seventh one, flood. Now we'll start with B exercise. Natural disasters are measured by using special instrument or scales. So you know that whatever this earthquake, flood, cyclone, whenever these disasters are coming, they are measured with different types of instrument. Now let's see DART. First one, Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting. This is an instrument, so it is used to check the tsunami. Number 2, Beaufort Scale. It is used to check tropical cyclone speed of wind. And last one, third, Richter Scale. It is used to measure the earthquake intensity, that how much is the intensity of the earthquake has taken.